I'm Jennifer Bennett, and I'm an immigration attorney here to talk to you today about H-1B visas and all of the mistakes that could go wrong. It could cost you your job, your future, your career, and months of headaches. So let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Mistake number 1, waiting until it's too late to apply. H-1B registration opens up in March, and the cap fills fast. If you wait until April or May, it's too late. So you want to start preparing in January or February to make sure you can have everything ready in time. The last thing that you want to do is call a lawyer's office the day before registration opens thinking that they'll be able to help you out. The odds are they won't be able to help. It will be too late. We need to gather up information from you and assess the case with enough time to prepare and register. 24 hours is just not enough. Mistake number 2, the wrong job title and bad job duties. The job has to match a specialty occupation. For example, let's say that you're a software developer, but perhaps the job duties read more like you're a tech assistant. You're going to get a request for more evidence. You really need to work with an experienced immigration attorney to make sure that the job role, the job title, and the job duties really do equate to a specialty occupation. Mistake number 3, LCA, labor condition application violations. Your LCA must be certified with the correct salary. If your employer is unable to pay the proper wage or they file the LCA with typos and errors, your case is likely going to be denied. What you want to do is check the LCA and the prevailing wage carefully before you file the case. I know all of this sounds like a jumble of legal words, but it's very important that you hire an experienced immigration attorney to guide you through the process. Mistake number 4 is changing jobs too soon. You can transfer H-1B employers, but you can't do it too soon, especially not before your original H-1B petition is approved. If you try to switch before then, the new employer is going to have to start the process all over, and you risk being out of status. So my tip is to definitely wait until you have that approval before you even talk to the attorney about changing jobs. H-1B visas are complicated, but if you avoid these mistakes, it will save you time, money, and stress. If you have any questions about the H-1B process, please drop your comment below or give us a call to book a consult. I would love to talk with you. I'm attorney Jennifer Bennett, and I'm an attorney helping immigrants one visa at a time.